Tonight we are making a sultana cake. I will write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this!
Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook! Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook! Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, I have been hanging for a sultana cake. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get out 125 grams of butter. We want to chop it up into a bowl and we want to leave it sit there for ages in this weather until it is soft at room temperature. Once it's soft at room temperature, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We need to get a 23 centimetre by 12 centimetre loaf tin. Mine's probably about a centimetre too big, but it will have to do. Usually you want to measure at the base. I've lined it with some baking paper and I've rubbed some butter on both ends. We need 1 cup of dried sultanas, half a cup of plain sugar, 2 eggs. I'm going to be using the UHT milk from the cupboard today. So when I've got bugger all milk and I don't have any money, I love having these in the cupboard because they're great for cooking, and then I can save my good milk for my coffees. We want to sift 2 cups of self-raising flour, and then we want to set that aside. Now into our softened butter, we want to add half a cup of plain sugar. We now want to get our electric beater out, and on low we want to beat it until it's a light colour. So I'll basically beat that for a minute. Now we want to add 1 egg at a time, and we want to beat 1 egg through, and then we want to beat our second egg through. We now want to mix our 1 cup of sultanas through using a spoon. Now all up we need 2/3 of a cup of milk. So what we want to do is we want to put half of our self-raising flour in and 1/3 of a cup of our milk in. We want to mix that through. Then we want to add our other half of the flour and our other 1/3 of a cup of milk and then mix that through. Okay, so 1/3 of a cup with half our flour. Mix that through. Then our other 1/3 of a cup. And the rest of our flour, and mix that through. Once we've mixed it all through, we've got no more dry flour. We now want to put it into our tin. Once we've got it all in there, we now want to spread it out. Once we spread it out, we just want to smooth it all over. Once we've got it as even as we can, we now want to bang it in our oven, and mate, I cannot wait. 48 minutes later in my plain electric oven, and mate, I am going to smash this. Oh my god, it smells so good! So you just want to get your skewer and stick it through. If it comes out clean, she's ready. Now every oven's different, so start looking at it around the 40-minute mark. So I'm just going to loosen it off the ends. Oh, this is beautiful to eat warm or cold. Well, I can't clearly wait that long. Alright, it's beautiful and crunchy on the outside, as a good sultana cake should be. Oh, baby. The thing I love about this one is that the sultanas doesn't sink to the bottom. They're all over it. Mate, you've got to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love it. You can just taste the memories in every bite. Thank you all so very much for watching. Have yourselves a lovely weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday. Toodles.